Alright, greetings one and all. I'm going to try the bushcraft grill for the first time. Never actually used it before. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to toast my English muffin with smoke in the eyes, because smoke is a douche and it likes to do that. So have to keep a close eye on those so they don't get too burned. Okay, note to self. Gotta throw a shout out to the Mi Woodsman. That was part of his giveaway winnings. I've never used a bushcraft grill before, so it's kind of cool. Alright, Fernbark suggested a little bit of oil on the pie irons prior to putting the food in, so that's what we're gonna do. And I wasn't going to warm them up, but I might actually, just because of the oil now.
Yeah. You don't have to go crazy on it.
Yeah. Don't touch that, it's so hot.
Oh, that's not heating up any. Full boil, but it's alright. I dumped a little water out because it was looking a little full. I'm going to put my soup mix in first.
Oh, it's got some Carolina inspired barbecue sauce. Which I'm opening the bottle for the first time, so. Oh yeah. Throw it on the bread. Put some pulled pork on it. Yeah, it's canned pulled pork, but I mean it was on sale and I just was walking by and I thought, oh hey. And unfortunately I can't have a barbecue or a smoker at my condo because the smoke will go up to the neighbors, they say. Or some dumbass decided to throw a steak on his grill and decided to walk in the house and left it sitting there and caught the underhang on fire. So yeah, that was real smart, buddy. And now we can't grill at our place because of your dumb ass. Alright. And of course, everything is a little bit better with a little bit of cheese. So I have some Sargento 2 cheese, sharp cheddar, and jack, because they were all out of pepper jack, which is what I was looking for, but so there's cheese. There's the toasted muffin. Let's get this guy. This guy's close. Flip. Well, let's crack this pie iron open and let's see what we have. Oh, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.
That's looking good.
Yeah. Get that up. Oh, and then we'll drop it in the ash and dirt.
Real life.
Nice. There she is. I'll let that cool and then I'll jump into it. While my first one is cooling off, I'm going to toast up muffin for round 2. Alright, let's get this onto a tray. Nice. Let's give this guy a taste.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Mark made some barbecue pork and a sourdough.
I think he may have just sold whoever a pair of pie irons.
Yeah, those are a little harder to get together for some reason.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Oops. No problem. I want to make my dessert real quick.
Alright. Doesn't look too bad.
Close. Get that bread. I don't know why I didn't bring it back out here.
Let that cool down. Getting a little rain on us, but nothing too terrible. Let's get round 2 onto a tray. I have to dry off first now. And there we go. There you go. Man, that vinegar barbecue sauce
Good stuff in
really goes well with the pork. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a good time hanging out with Fernbark as always. You know, a smart guy would have waited before taking a bite while he was trying to exit the video, but yeah. So, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.